Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Hesi Assetto Corsa Standard Edition. This incredible mod transforms your game into a vibrant, realistic street driving experience. Imagine cruising through detailed cityscapes with dynamic traffic, all while enjoying a vast selection of meticulously crafted cars. We will guide you through every step, ensuring you are ready to hit the virtual roads and immerse yourself in this unique simulation. Get ready for an unparalleled driving adventure. Setting up No Hesi is straightforward, and we will walk you through it. First, install Content Manager and the Custom Shaders patch. These are vital for the experience. Next, download the No Hesi server pack, which contains all the necessary cars, tracks, and assets. Finally, fine-tune your graphics and force feedback settings within Content Manager to achieve the most immersive and responsive driving feel possible. You will be ready to drive in just a few minutes. Once you are in the game, understanding the gameplay mechanics is key. No Hesi features highly realistic car physics, requiring smooth and precise inputs for optimal control. Practice navigating through dynamic traffic and challenging corners, always prioritizing safety and flow. Focus on consistent throttle control and gentle steering adjustments to maintain stability and achieve the most immersive driving experience. Patience and practice will greatly enhance your skills. The No Hesi community is a fantastic resource for enhancing your experience. Join the official Discord server to connect with thousands of fellow drivers, discover new events, and get support. Don't hesitate to explore the vast array of community-created car and track modifications, adding endless variety to your gameplay. Remember, consistent practice on different servers will continuously sharpen your driving abilities and deepen your enjoyment of No Hesi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.